Super. Okay. Right, well here we've got, what is it? A Silverado.
Yeah, Jason, you know if you want to come a day?
And as you can see, it's a little bit rusty. But it's for sale if you want to buy it. £800.
Your dad's £12.
Small block Chevy.
No, you need £6.
Oh yeah. But it is a bit rusty. Oh dear.
You're always prodding.
I know, there's something about rusty cars I find really attractive.
I would do it, I'll push it.
It's a bit like rusty women.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Well, I haven't found a rusty woman yet, but...
Oh, Brian!
Oh, sorry. It's a little bit rusty. But it's hardly surprising, I don't suppose, for a 1978. Good thing about it is, the chassis is not rusty. Because it's not a box. It's a C-section pressing. So there's no box section to rust out. It's a shame.
Oh, thank you.
What?
Where you put your arm here?
Where have I put my arm?
Yeah. Just pulled it off. It pulled it off.
It's just rust, that's all. They're selling it for spares, it is for spares, so...
You just pulled it off.
That's not using.
What's it like inside?
Yeah,
What, mate?
that's got keys in this one.
What's got keys in?
This one.
No, I don't want that.
It's got keys in it.
What? German piece of crap? No. Yeah, so if you want to buy it, I suppose it's worth buying just for engine. What, mate?
Go for a drive, it's like keys in.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, it's been purple and red.
It's probably been a lot of colours during its life,
There, look,
Marcus.
purple and red.
Yeah. It's probably only paint that's holding it together.
And blue.
We like rusty cars. But the chassis is good though, lads. It's not like a Land Rover, where chassis fall to bits as well as bodies. Oh, I better not press that too hard. I bet it's got a nice engine though, a nice big V8. Oh, the exhaust pipe's tiny. But the wheels are fat. That back axle looks a bit small as well for engine. But you can see the chassis there. Because it's an open section, it won't corrode like a Land Rover box section. Do you like it, Jay? Yeah. Shall we buy it? It's only £800. It's got a certain appeal. It certainly has. But it's not as appealing as a rusty Land Rover. What do you prefer, Marcus? Rusty Land Rovers or rusty... is that a Ford?
Rusty Land Rovers.
I think it's a... Is it a Ford? Silverado? Is it a Chevy? No, it's Chevy in it. Chevy Silverado. It's not Ford, is it? It's Chevy, of course. Rusty Land Rover or rusty Chevy?
Land Rover.
Land Rover.
Land Rover.
What do you reckon, Liz? What do you reckon, Liz?
Team chicken.
Team Chicken?
Yes, Team Rubber Chicken on veg.
Yeah. Anyway, it's rusty. But it's cheap. Just the way I like them.